Tutorial is in this video you will learn how to convert this home page, this PSD file. You can see this is layered PSD file. So how you will convert this PSD file into Bootstrap file, completely responsive. This is the home page. This is the home page. It's simple, and also this one is inner page. So step by step I will show you how to convert the whole two pages fully responsive Bootstrap. So let me show you these two pages. This is home page. You can see this is now HTML from PSD. Also, if you want to check this into mobile device, then you can see this is fully responsive. And this one is inner page. This is about page. You can see this one is also fully responsive. So follow the video step by step and you will know how to convert any PSD file or JPG or PNG file into Bootstrap. So let's start the tutorial. Hello friends, welcome to Tutorial S, and in this video you will learn how to convert this PSD file into Bootstrap file. So follow this video step by step, and at the end of this video you will be understand that how you can convert any JPG, PSD or PNG file into Bootstrap 5 responsive website. This design actually I have done, and I have also shown in video. So this is the tutorial video from where you can see how I have design this in Photoshop. In case, but if you are a UX developer, then you don't need to go for that if you don't know PSD. Then so this PSD, this one I will provide a link in description from where you can download and you can convert this into Bootstrap file. Apart from that, we have Bootstrap uh, 5 tutorial into this our channel, where I strongly recommend you to first check those videos so that you will be able to understand step by step that how to implement each part. So go. This function will be to add new product, and you can check here Bootstrap tutorial 2022. So I strongly recommend to follow these videos first, then you will be easily able to convert this PSD into Bootstrap 5. So before you converting any design, there is some roadmap which you have to follow. For example, how you will be cutting this and how its structure will be. So let me show you. So this is rules. In case in Photoshop it doesn't show, then you click on rules, view and rules. Okay, then show hide. You can show hide from here. So go to rules, then you will find this. So this logo will be one part. Okay, this logo will be from here to here, one part, and right side we will have this section. Right side we will have this section, right? So especially we will have two sections, first section and this one second section, and in second sections we will have two parts, first this and this one. Okay, so basically we will have a complete navbar. Then that navbar will have two parts. First one is logo, and then in second part we will have, in the top section we will have the social media, and in the bottom section we will have menu. So this is one part, right? Now in the second part, what we will have, we will have this slider. Okay, and inside this slider, so this is the second part. Inside one slider, this slider will also have two parts. In the left section, in background we will have this image, and in the left section over the background we will have this image, and in the right side we will have this text, and in this section we will have this slider. So Bootstrap has already inbuilt slider. We will be using that slider. Okay, and in this video, in this video series, I have shown that how you can use that
Do you know that
navbar.
over
Okay,
90% of the website?
here somewhere I have used here this carousel and slider. Okay, how you can use that in video number 11 I have shown that, so you should check that one also, right? So we will be using that carousel, and then this section will have one featured post, and here once again we will have like this and this. In the left side we will have this box, and in the right side we will have this header, text and read more. So this will be repeating here, and then finally we will have this navigation, and at the end of this design we have this footer. So we have logo white, and then one section, second section. So this way we will follow step by step. So guys, stay connected and watch this video carefully, then you can convert this into Bootstrap 5. So now let's start the project. What we will do, we have our in desktop I had Bootstrap folder, Bootstrap, right? So I will create one more folder here saying project or foods and joy, so that easily we will be able to identify. And then we will download Bootstrap 5, right? So let's go here and write download Bootstrap 5. From here we can download. You can see compiled CSS and JS, so simply click on here and let's download. Okay, the file is downloaded. So what we need here is this CSS and JS. So Control C, just copy it and then paste here. Right, now let's open Sublime Text, or you can use any editor you like. In my case, I'll be using this Sublime Text. So right, now here let's save it as index.php into this folder. Index.html, not php, index.html, and here doc type html, and then let's close html here. Actually it's simple, so we don't need double. I will simply remove this. Okay, so this is our structure. Here we will write foods and joy, this is title, and in head section we will write here link rel style sheet href equals to css slash bootstrap min.css. So where is this? Let's go to our folder and go into css folder. So we are going to use this one, actually not this one, bootstrap min, this one. So just right click on this so that there is no any mistake. So rename it and simply put its name, so it's bootstrap min.css. Apart from that, we will also use here in the body section script src, script src. There is no type required actually here, so simply just remove this. So script src, and then we will write js slash bootstrap min.js. I think it must be inside js file. So bootstrap bundle min.js, this one we will be using. Alright, that's it. Now let's go into this body section, and what we will do, we will use Bootstrap Navbar. So once again, I have shown that this Navbar here, how to use model box, then sticky here, Bootstrap Navbar in video number 10. So I recommend you to check that first. In fact, you should go through all the videos, then it will be easier to understand this. Anyway, in case you already have gone, then now what we will do, we will uh, go to Bootstrap site here, and then under components you will find Navbar. This is Navbar. Navbar, what we will do, we will see which are the close matching to our design. So in our design, you can see there is a left side logo and right side there is some text. Of course, we have to customize. So there is a logo here and the right side menu. So let's find some more. Yeah, this one is better. What we will do, simply we will remove the search bar. This one is also fine in case we need here drop down. Anyway, so we will use this one. Okay, so just copy it, or we can take this colorful also. Let's take, but the color will be of course ours. So just I'm going to copy this, or let's copy this one. Don't be so confused. Just copied it and paste here for navigation, right? Just refresh. Going to no, just we need to go here and enjoy, and we will check if the menu has come or not. Yes, so menu has come. Now we will match with our design like this. Okay, you can see this is container fluid, right? So what we will do, I have also explained in that video what is difference between container fluid and container. So what we will do here, div, or yes, div, and then we will close this div here, div close, and here we will apply class container fluid, and inside that once again we will take another div. Inside that div we will write container, class container. So what is happening inside container fluid, we will have container. Okay, we are checking here actually. Yes, now you can see our navigation is starting from here. So as per our design, we need this logo. Also one thing, we will check its height. Okay, because we will try our best to match its design. So let's check its height. Just copy here, just drag this, and you can see it is displaying in centimeter. So what we will do, you go here, click on info, and then palette options, and here pixels. So now if we check here, then it is displaying which is displaying width is 12 px and height is 143. So that means this height is 143 pixel. So in our case, we will have to make this navigation bar 143 px. So this is our navigation bar. What we will do, we will write a custom class. Okay, or we can also override this. So just copy this. Later we will new file, save, in cell style we will write here style.css. So this will be our custom CSS. Navbar, then height 143 px. Now let's check here. Rather, I will use this one, this class Navbar LG. Now we need to include that CSS of course here. So link rel equals to style sheet href css slash style dot css. Now let's refresh and try. Yes, so our navigation bar is now 143 pixel. I think it has some padding also, that is why the heading looks bigger. So let's check here. In navigation bar there is some padding here in the padding top and padding bottom as well. So we need to remove this padding. So we write here dot navbar padding, simply I'll write here 0 px, so that it will take padding 0 px from everywhere. Okay, so the now padding is hopefully removed. Yeah, padding is removed now. Okay, so what is our next step? Let's go to our design, and our next step is to get this logo. We will, and also we will remove the background color what we have. So let's check here where this background color is coming from. Navbar. So I guess this bg light. Yes, this bg light. So what we will do, simply we will remove this class bg light. We don't need. Okay, so the background color automatically will get removed from here. And here where it says navbar scroll, we will put our logo, and this one we will put in the right side, and with this one we will remove. So let's go to Photoshop. What's happening here? Let's go to Photoshop, and then let's cut it. This logo. Okay, image, and then crop. Also we will remove its background and paste it as png. Okay, layer. So this is background. Now our logo is transparent, so save for web, then save. Bootstrap. Yes, then let's enjoy. Here we will create one folder called images, and then logo. We will name it as logo. Now control Z, control alt Z, and let's get back to where it was. Yes, so once again it reverted back. Alt control Z, right? Then you will revert back. Now this logo we will put here. So where it says navbar scroll, we will get our logo here. img src equals to images slash logo.png. Okay, now let's check here, refresh, and then our logo has come here. The logo looks a bit bigger, so what we will do here, we can apply class logo, and then let's go to CSS, and here dot logo width equal to 90%. We will check how does it fit. Yes, now you can see the logo. Now this menu, but before that let's delete this search part. So where is this search part? Li link this form flags deflex. So we will remove this section. Okay, now if you refresh, we can see only the menu is showing, and here where is the menu actually. In the meantime, let's check also this, if we have to check this mobile friendliness as well, whether it's working or not. Okay, so it has dropped here. Okay, so we will write custom class for that, and we will bring this here. So what happened if we keep this part here, then where does it show? Okay, this part shows here only. So we will make the logo here, and beside that we will make this, right? Okay, so we will check this one also later. We will make mobile friendly, but before that let's check into the desktop section. Okay, so what we need, all right, so what are the menu names are home, about, foods, travel, home, about, sorry, about, then we will write here food. So veg food, non-veg food, then maybe other foods or seafoods, whatever. In here, apart from that, whatever there, travel, travel, then just copy it, restaurants, contact, restaurant, and finally we have contact. Okay, now let's check here. Okay, so these are our menu which are now displaying. It has different colors because the CSS is different here. Area disabled, true, so we will remove it. We don't need this actually. Area disabled, true, refresh it, and also here disabled, class disabled, remove it. Now it is same like. Now let's check the font color of the menu. If you go here, then we will take its color code. Click here, then you can take the color code from here. Now let's go and check here, right clicking inspect, and then this nav link has this color. Okay, so what we will do, nav link, this nav link, uh, and we will write this to hover also. When we put the mouse, then the color will be different. So navbar light, we have already removed this. So navbar nav, or simply we can write here navbar. Okay, and navbar hover, we need both these. When we mouse over, then it will show hover, and in simple term it will show nav link. Once again I need to copy the code actually of this one, exact color. If you need what designer has used the color, in that case we can copy this color, and here I will write color has this, and in hover maybe a darker one, but for the time being let's keep both same. Now let's go here and refresh, and to verify if the color is changed or not, so what we need to do actually, style.css, it is showing crossed, that means this css is not taking from there. So what we have to do, we have to write here important, so that the default bootstrap navbar color will override. Yes, now the color you can see it's successfully applied to it. Here you can see our color is taking from here. Now let's check the font size. So font size is 34 pt, 34 pt, that means it's a bit bigger. So we can write here font size, I think 34 px will be larger, but check, let's check here. It's too big, so rather than this I think 24 is fine. Yes, or maybe 20 will be better. No, it's fine because we don't have that much menu, that's why. Okay, all right, now we need social media link about this. So let's go here and check. This one is coming from here, Navbar. So let's do one thing. From here we will take one div and this ul part, div, and also once again we will take another div and another div. We will name it as social. Okay, refresh it and you can see the social is coming here. Okay, what we need to do, we need to take it to top here somewhere in the right side. So class social box, let's go here and write dot social box, and here margin top minus 100 px. Okay, so our social links will come on the top right here. We will use font awesome for the social media icons, so let's include font awesome also. Bootstrap font awesome for this, for getting these social media icons. So let's find here in Google Bootstrap font awesome link or CDN. Okay, let's just copy this, then we will paste here. Now let's write here ul ul li li, and then Facebook font also fa this one. Let's see if it's coming or not. Now it's not coming. Let's use the lower version because 1006 is a bit higher. So does it have its previous version? Five. 6. So rather let's use this stable version. Okay, style sheet serial cloudflare that live font option 4.7.0. We will be using this. So here fa Facebook. Let's try to refresh, and yes, you can see this Facebook icon is coming. So we will write here, sorry, fa circle font awesome. No, not circle actually. fa Facebook font awesome circle. Okay, so we will write a custom code for this CSS actually. Let's go to style.css where we have, and then let's paste this code. So wherever we will be using this I and FA, then we will have a border and padding like this. Okay, now if you refresh, then you can see there is circle inside this. If you check our design, then there is black background, right? So we can write here background color gray or black, whatever color we have. Yes, and color white, so that F will show white. Now if you check, yes, so it is like this. Now we need Instagram. Index go. Yes. Instagram, Twitter, and then WhatsApp. Let's check if these icons are exactly matching. Yes. So you can see our icons are not showing. If you want to make it hover, then in style sheet you can write hover, hover, and background color maybe black. So it will look like this when we make it hover. And also in our this menu hover color, let's make it black. Okay, in the menu, so when you put mouse you can see the hover color is black. So guys, now we will have this green border. Okay, if you want to take the exact color, then click this and this one also. Now you can see the color came here, and now finally this. So after this menu, I mean this navbar, after this navbar, this one also, that means this container. Hold on, this is, yeah, looks like one of the div is mismatching somewhere. This one is nav, where is nav finishing? Yeah, this nav is finishing here. Okay, this div is finishing here, this div is finishing here. So what is this for? Is this extra? Yeah, it looks like it was extra. This div will li, li is starting, but where is li? Oh, not finishing here. Close, 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 and close. This li will be deleted here. So this div finishing here, and then this one is for container, and this one is for, now it's fine. Okay, so below this nav, below this navigation, we will put here HR, then class menu line. Let's go to the style, and then menu line, then uh, background color this. Okay, you can see there is horizontal line below this, and if you put here padding 10, so what should be not 10 actually, we will put here, let's remove this height, it's not required, padding 4, So according to design, the color is different. Why the color is showing they are different? Okay, sometimes in Photoshop it looks different, but in actual it looks different. So if you want to match, let's do one thing. Rather than its HR, we will take here div. Okay, div close class menu line, and then let's check. Yes, the color is showing exactly, and of course the width is more height. So let's make it 2px padding. Now it's fine. And also, yes, the color is fine. So guys, our header section, as you can see, now it's complete. Now the question is, if you want to make it full width, then what we will do? Let's go here, and rather than putting it here inside container, we will put below this. In that case, it will be full width. Now here we will get a slider. So Bootstrap navigation, we will go once again here, and then Bootstrap carousel. We will take this one, this pointer with dot. Just copy this and let's paste here this carousel. Refresh it and check. Oh, it went to top somehow. Let's check here. Let's put here background because it's not visible at all what's happening here. This is carousel inner style background black. We will change it with image because there is, you can see there is no image. Yes, so slider is coming. That padding is not required actually. This style margin what we have written, so it will come from here. Now we will get our image, this image. So just hide this one also. Only we will have the image. Okay, so let's crop this image. Press this and select. Oh, this learn mode is still visible, so hide this one as well. Okay, now let's crop this image. Image crop, file, save for web. And then we will name it as slider bg. Now let's go here. We will remove this class, it's not required. So src images, then slider underscore bg dot, it is jpg or png. Same, we will copy paste in all these three, refresh it and check. Yes, now our slider is coming, but the image is smaller. So we will have to make this image bigger, larger one. Okay, so let's go to Photoshop and then image size is this one, so rather we will make it 2000. Save for web. Yes, this is larger, bigger slider. Now we will put our image and text here. So what we will do here, let's do one thing. We will put this image into background. Okay, this image, because we have to put here image over and also text in the right side, right? So what we will do, just copy this one and comment this code for the timing, and then let's remove here bg uh, bg slide. Okay, we will just name it as bg slide. Now let's go to css and then bg slide background. Here will be background url this, and then here mean height, so whatever height we have, let's check from here. Height is 590. Okay, so let's put here 500 px. Mean height, minimum height will be 500 px. And then later we will put here something for the timing, just write anything here. Okay, so in css, because it's inside, actually this one will be here, right? So refresh it, not coming. BG slide, BG, oh, it is underscore actually. I put here hyphen, so BG slide, refresh it, and then you can see the slider is coming. BG slide, just let's remove this, and same class we will apply in all other. So currently we have 1 and 2, and this is third slide, and here also we will remove. Okay, now our slider is working same as before. So what we will do now, let's go inside this, and then div class row div, then div class all md, then 4. Here will be image as per the design. Let's do one thing. I will close it once and open again, because I've hidden all the fields, so I'll close it without saving. Okay, so this is the one. So we will require this image, right? Now what we will do, go to here, and we will cut this image. Image crop, make it transparent. Okay, file, shape for web, then banner left cake. Here we will write img src equals to images slash banner this banner left cake, left cake, image close. This will be the left side, and one more div here, class call md 8, and here will be h2 for the title, and paragraph here, some text, and here button for read more. Read more. Okay, now let's check. Images name is different. It's png, no? Dot png, dot png. Okay, So our cake image is here. I have put in one of the slides, that's why. And this will be the title. Now we can put it as, for making its text right. That means we will make image right aligned. Or okay, that's fine. We can put later here some in title, Control Alt Z, and this is the title. Enjoy tasty food at low cost. So we will write here, enjoy tasty food for low cost. So this is our title. I think the best will be, okay, now let's check its font size, the font color first. So let's create a class here, dot slider h3, slider, but do we have slider here? h3 where? Okay, name it slider heading. Okay, not h3, slider heading. Then color this, and then font size 30 px. Achha, we need to put this class here, sorry, class this. Yes, so the text will be, of course, bigger. Make it 60. Yes, enjoy the tasty food. And also it's bold, font weight bold. Yes, now this text, this one, sorry, this one, this will be here in paragraph. Better, let's create a single class here, slider content. Okay, slider content, then there is no requirement of this class actually. Slider content, so in this case it will be dot slider content, and then slider content h2. Why? Because this h2 is inside that, this h2 is inside, so cascading style sheet we will be using. Now it's working fine, so we don't have to repeat big name. Same class now we will use here for paragraph. Just replace this to p, and then replace this to p, and let's find its color. Color is this one, color this, right? Yes, and of course the font size is bigger. Font size is 38px. Font size, let's make it 30px and check how big it is displaying. Yeah, and also you can see there is some spacing between the heading and this one. So padding top 20px. Okay, for this h2 also padding top 40px. Yes, it looks better now. Now this read more button, and also we will make it circle. This image also bit on the top, so let's make it slider image. Padding top 40px. Yes, now there is spacing also, and in the left side also. Let's put padding left 30px. Yes, so now it looks nicer, isn't it? And this read more button now. So let's create one. Here push first, here bootstrap class btn success. Okay, so it will look green, but we will change its color and bring it to the right side. So here slider content button float right. Okay, and then padding right 40px. Margin actually, not padding. Margin right. So how this? Hmm. Okay, now border radius 25px. 25, let's make it 15px, and then you can see it's larger, right? So width 100px. Or let's do one thing, padding left 30px. Same way padding right 30px. Yes, now we will change its color. So the color code is background color is this. Yes, and on hover it turns green. So we'll write here hover, then either dark pink or yes, let's make it dark pink. So it will be like this. And let's go here and write here fa double arrow, then just copy this and paste here. And its background is taking from here because on globally we had written this class, that's why. Okay, so what we will do, let's create a custom class for this. Say right arrow, then ars, ठीक है, or button arrow, whatever name you want to, ars background none, background none, this fa okay, it's still taking that class, actually it's not overriding. Okay, so what we will do, ifa this class, ifa and ars. Okay, let's do one thing. The easiest way to override this is just apply here span. Okay, then if you refresh, you can see now it's gone. And also we need some padding here, so it's not required actually, just ars is sufficient. Padding left 20 px. Yes, so this button we have to make it bigger, font size 40 px, or you can write padding yes. Oh, button size button paste. Let's put here FALG, that means larger. And now here in the class FALG font size 30 px. So let's make it font size FALG important. Yes, the font size has increased, as you can see. We can make it maybe 40 px. Yes, in same way this read mode we need to increase. So where is the button? Button, yes. Font size 40 px. Oh, it's too big. 30 is also too big, but it's okay. It is actually learn mode, so it will be 25 will be fine. Then learn more. Yes, so now our this button is also ready. What we will do, just copy paste whole thing from here. This row, complete row, not row. This, so to it is bg, the image call for here. This one, this will be copied to here as well as here, and we will remove this active from 2. So now we have in all three same. Now you can stylize this one also. Width, its color is button, just copy this class, color green. Actually it will be background color, right? Not color. Background color green important. Okay. Oh, so that was its color actually, not this one. Carousel indicators. Carousel. Yeah, that's slash British Yes, now its color is green. Okay, and then width, height, border radius 10 px. Let's make it border radius 59%. 59%. So if we refresh it, then you can see let's increase it height. Yes, perfect. So the height will be 15 px. Yes, so that's it guys. Now you can see, if you check the design, we have covered so far to the slider, header, and this button actually will be below, it's too high. Margin top 50 px. Yes. Now in the next section we will work on this and this. And in this section we will be working on this part. Okay, so now let's start working on this. Let's go to here and then div and div close. Let's do one thing, let's make this whole thing, it's fine. Then class container div row, class row, div class call md12. So this will be full screen, and then inside this let's create one div. Let's check its height and width. So height is so the width and height is 360, 320 and 65. Okay, now let's go here. So class heading box. Now let's go here, then width 320 px, height 20 px, 20 px, 65, 65 px, and and background, let's take its color. Text center, let's check it. What is this? Okay, let's put here heading container. Padding top 40 px. Okay, so that our heading will start from here, but why the width is so much? Width 320 px. Heading box, width 320 px. Let's check here. Spelling mistake. 320 px. It's overriding somehow. Check if this class exists already. No. Heading box. There is something wrong. Oh, there is no semicolon. That's why. Yes, the width is here. This box, but it should have come in center, right? Margin auto. Yes, now it's coming in center. And then what we need to write? Featured post. Insert this. Featured post. .30 px, color white. Okay, and then in the left side you can see there is one design. this one. So you can make it something like, I'll just crop it. Heading icon. Now background, background URL images slash heading icon.png. Okay, so no repeat, means background repeat will be no repeat. And left means position left, so it's already position left. Now this featured post, line height, right. So our this heading is ready now. Now we are ready to move to the next step. This section we will work on. It's easy, there is no such complexity in this. Let's go once again here. Div better, let's make it section. In here div or article class row, then this class row div class call md before I'm taking this article because it is related to article, you can see, that's why, but it's not fixed. You can take div also. So once again, here will be image. In the right side we will have again here h2, and then heading here and paragraph, text here, and finally read more. Read more. So this is our whole structure. We need to write CSS for this, because in the left side will be image and like this. Okay, so now let's write one class here, or let's do one thing. First crop this image. Crop. Let's save it as JPG, not PNG. PNG is normally saved for transparent image. Okay, when you need transparent background, in that case you can use PNG, but in this case we will use rather JPG, because so left article image. So here img src images left article image dot jpg. Yes, so this is image, and then heading. So just copy any one of the heading here, and for text there is nothing special about it. This is just lorem ipsum. Here lorem ipsum. Now refresh it and check how does it look like. So why it is half? So it will be 8, no? 8. That's why. Yes. Now this is heading, this is text and review. So now let's make it nicer, tidy up. So first color, take its color. So we have to write here article, then h2, article h2, color this color. Okay, the color has changed, you can see. Let's change its font color also. Okay, let's make font size bigger. Font size 20 px, maybe 24 px. Oh, that means it will be 44 px or 34. Yes, that's fine. Also, from top, for whole article we will make only for article. This article padding top 40 px, right? So that there is space between. Let's make it 60 px. Yes, and also font size and color. So let's check its color. So its color we can find from here. Now this time will be article in P. Article P color hash, and then this. We'll check font size later, but let's check first color. Yes, you can see the color is fine. Font size, normally font size 15 px. Let's make it bigger, 17 px. Yes, guys, you can see now they read more. We will bring it to the right side. So better span span. So article span color. So which color is that? I guess this pink color. One second, we need to check this color is there. Also float float right. Yes, let's make it bigger. Font size 22 px. Font weight bold. Bold is not looking good, so better make it like this one only. And of course, this text will be more. Yes. Now what we will do, just copy paste this whole 3 times. Yes, and yes, at the bottom of this line there was border bottom. So this section, where is section section border bottom 1 px pink solid. Let's check now. Yeah, this line is coming, so better let's make it 2 px. Yes, now there is divider also. So The now remaining part is footer as well as pagination. This pagination. So let's create this pagination here. Once again, div, then div class container div class row div class whole mb12. Inside this div class pagination. Inside this ul li and li close. 1 2 3 4, like this. So this is our pagination structure. Now we have to, of course, create here. First will be dot pagination margin auto, so that it will come in center. Yeah, we have to put here width also, width 400 px and pagination ul pagination ul list style none, so that this bullet will go. So here pagination li ul then li display inline. Now it's coming in. Oh, pagination ul margin auto. Now here generally in practical life what happens, here is a href because there is normally hyperlink, okay, for this. Now here will be A, background PS. Width 40 px. It's better padding top 20 px, padding right 20 px, or 40 px, padding bottom 40 px, and padding left 20 px. So it is like top right clockwise, top right bottom and then left. Oh, it's too big. I guess 5 will be enough. Left will be 5. This one will be also 5, 5, and then 5. This one will be 8, and this one will be 8 also. Width will be more, like this. And padding, where is padding? Yes. Do we need line height? What if we remove this? Yes, not required. Also, in pagination, let's make margin top 30 px, like this. Width is still less, so let's make it 12, 12. Yeah, now it's better. Also, the color is actually dark pink. Okay, so let's select this. Take this color. Yes, and color will be here white. Yes. So this is your pagination, and padding left 50 px, because it's not in center. Now it's fine. In the next section, we will work on footer part. We will work on footer part. Okay. So let's go to here and let's write here footer. inside footer div and then div. So this is full width, yes. So here will be class container fluid in the div class container, and here in footer background, let's take the color. This is the same color, I believe. Copy it and we need to check height. Height is 248, that means 250 px. Height 250 px. Let's put it mean height rather than max height. That means minimum height will be that one, and if requirement be, it can increase, then it will come like this. And now we will have three sections. So 4 4 4, if you take three columns here of Bootstrap inside container div class row, then give left side, middle, and yeah. So class md, sorry, code md4 in the left side. What is there? Let's go to Photoshop. First we have this logo, footer logo. Footer logo. So in this section, img src images footer logo.jpg, and then we will have paragraph, and of course this lorem ipsum text. Here footer left, this is our logo, and here will be text. Text color is white. So white. Class name is different. Oh, footer left, not left. Yes, the left side is finished. Now let's check center part. In center part we have H3 links, and then UL LI 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 closed, home, about, services, etc., etc. About, food, blog, footer, center. Footer center, then UL place style none, footer UL LI display inline. No, actually you don't need inline because we need to show it vertically. So here will be AHREF A like this. So A color, font size, we will remove this underline, text decoration none, and one more thing, this H3. So for this H3 color white, font size px. Eight 28 px. Also there will be padding top 15 px, padding left 15 px. Okay, you can put hover also, text decoration, underline. So in that case, if anyone, also the color of this red. Actually red is not good. Gray, a hover, like this. Margin auto. Okay, and the remaining one is right side, right? In this section, this. So what is in this side? In design, there is heading called address. So it is more or less similar to the center one. Address, ABC, Kolkata, like this. So name it as footer right. So footer left, footer center, footer center, footer center. Just copy everything and let's change right. So that we can make modification according to this. And to make footer right, we will write text align right, and also in our h3, this one also. So if refresh, you can see now it's coming right. And in this section we will make it center, right? So h3, where is it? h3 here. So text align center, or we can make it right also. No, it's fine. Text align center, and here as well. Yes. So guys, now it's fine. Padding top, not this. Let's make this logo some padding. Let's provide. So footer left img, footer left img, padding top 20 px. and here let's make it padding top 5 and here as well. Okay, so now it's better. So guys, this way we have completed the home page, and then we will go for the next page, that means single page for blog. To make it responsive, mobile friendly. So now let's check if our website is now mobile friendly or not. Yes, it's not at all. So we need to make it mobile friendly using media query. Okay, so one thing I forgot here, we need to write the code viewport. This is important for making responsive website. Meta name viewport, content with device width, initial scale 1.0. This is important if you want to make the website responsive. Okay, now if you refresh it, then you will see it has changed completely. And remember, I'm checking this in simulator like iPhone 12, 13, Max Pro. If you want to check, then it's looking like this. But the standard device, if I check uh, on this and also this one, then it's better. Okay, iPhone 12. I will check in this. So the first thing is, you can see if I click on this, then it doesn't work because we need to set Z index or Z index less than this. So this nav bar, uh, actually this slider, carousel, just try to write here style Z index 999. If I put it in negative minus, yes. So now you can see this one is working. Home, about us, services, whatever is coming here. But before that, what we will do, this logo should be the left side and this one should be in the right side. So what I will do, in this logo we will put here width, fixed width. Not in percentage. Okay, all right. So we will write media query code here. For that, what we will do, you can create a separate file for that. m.style.css. That means all our media query file will be here. So you can see here the class name is logo. Okay, we will write here logo. Sorry, before that we need to write this. So first we will start with tablet 768. Okay, then dot logo and then width 100 px. Let's try with this. And Yes, we need to call this font style, right? m-style.css. Okay, let's check here in Chrome if the media query is working or not. Yes, so you can see this one is showing me in tablet. So we will change the code here a bit. Earlier it was min device, so now we will write here max device. That means the maximum will be this, and less than, if less than this, then this class will detect there. So if you refresh here and once again check into the mobile device, yes, you can see if it's greater than 768, then our media query class is this one. It's going, yes. Now if you check here in iPhone Pro 12, then 100%, you can see. So let's do one thing. Let's make this logo bigger. Two 207. So better if I put here 200px, then it will look better. Let's check in Chrome browser also. Yes, now it's fine in Chrome also. So you can see in the left side we have logo, and in the right side there is something wrong somewhere. I will check that also. In mobile device we will hide this social media. Okay, so let's find its class. What class do we have? Social icon. Okay, so let's write the code for that. Display none. Okay, for mobile device that is hidden. Also, let's make the Z index for this one. This is our sub menu class, right? This one. M bar nav. Okay, if I click here, then you can see there is some problems. What we will do, first let's give here this navbar. Which one? First we refresh, and then when you click, then this navbar nav, this navbar nav. Okay, so Z index I've given, that means it should come above, but there is some problem. So what we will do, min height 200 px. For the time being, let's see what happens. Yes, now you can see its height has increased. Okay. Apart from that, we will also provide here white color or green color. Whatever color we want, we can provide there. So let's apply here background color white. Now if you click, then you can see, so we have to increase its width 300. Yeah, let's increase some more. That's why it's going up 350. Yeah, you can see. And also let's apply some padding from left side. Padding left 10 px. So there is some padding here in the left side. Better, let's give here margin left 50 px, so that the menu will come in the right side. Yes, so margin, we can see from here also how much margin do we need actually. No, it's fine. You can see when you click it jumps out. Okay, so to prevent this, if you check in our Navbar, we have given height 143 pixel here in our style.css. So if you remove this, then you can see unnecessary gap goes out. So what we will do, then height auto, height auto important. Yes, that's fine. And now you can see it's not jumping. But there is one problem. You can see it's going down. So the solution is, let's provide here height 120 px. Now it's fine. Yes, it's perfect now. So 85 px we will provide here 85 px. So the jumping problem is now gone and it works perfectly. Okay guys, so our menu problem is solved now. Now let's get back here. This one is right, this is perfect. One more thing, here we have provided z index, so provide here z index -1, okay, and refresh it. So let's do one thing, uh, remove z index from here, and navbar, the top navbar, here, let's try style z index. That means we are stacking here. Okay, so now it's working, but it should also, yeah, so both are working now. Okay, so what we have done, nowhere we need to write z index, we just need to write here neighbor lg. So simply let's write this neighbor lg. Where is that? In m means this one, z index 999. That's it. So now it's working, and this one is also working. Whereas sometimes, okay, now what we will do, the font size is very large, okay, this one, so we will decrease its font size. So slider content, and then h2. So let's create a css, slider content h2, font size 20 px in mobile. Yes, but the font size became very smaller, so it's not good actually. And one more thing, you can see there is some problem somewhere. Okay, we will check where is the problem. So to check that, what you have to do, start, that means on all elements, border 1px solid and red. Now we can see what is the problem. Okay, so it looks like the problem is inside image. Because of image, it's going outside. So what is the problem? Let's check. Let's write here responsive class. There is a bootstrap class img code for making it responsive. Yeah, the first one is resolved. So same way we need to make responsive all the images. So as per the screen resolution, it will adjust itself. So this is a trick to check which element is having problem. Now this image also. There is one more image. Fluid. So guys, now you can see the problem is resolved. There is not much scroll. Maybe somewhere we have given width. Okay, yeah, here we have given margin left, that is why. In this one, pagination, width we have given 400. So if you remove width, then there is no scroll at all. So let's write this class pagination in our style sheet. And then width 100%. That's it. Now the problem is resolved. You can see there is no right side scroll at all. So most of the problems are fixed itself. Now what we will do, and yes, we have made this font size very small, so at least it should be 35 px. And this image, delete plus slider image. This slider image text align center. Yes, now it's coming in center. Same way we will make this one also center. So what is its class? Slider content h2. Slider content h2, this one. Text align center, this one also. Alright, so this one is also coming in center. Now if you want to make this one also center, so this is P, slider content P, slider content P. Now text align center. Right. Now in the meantime, let's do one thing. Just comment this out. This font size will be lesser for this pretext. Font size 15 px. Yes, so now it's fitting into this. Now this button, this one in mobile, first let's make this button smaller. Which button is this? More. Yeah, this one. What we have done, margin right, let's remove this, and padding left, let's remove this one also. No, this one is fine. Margin top, Let's remove this one also, and this one is right, float right, padding left is fine. Okay, so just copy this and paste into our mobile. Now you can see still it's here. Padding look like so. If we put here margin right, margin right 70. So let's make it 70 px, and also it will go top, right? So is there any padding top? No. Margin top. So let's make here in this button margin top 0 px, and then padding bottom 50 px. Oh, not padding, actually margin. Margin bottom, yes, so that's fine. Or you can give it 70 px. So now this one is working, button is also working. Now this one is perfect, we don't have to do anything. This one is also perfect. If you want, you can make it center. This is already center line. Read more. So rest of the things looks fine. This one is also almost center. Now if you want to check footer, footer is also perfect. Let's check from here. Oh, this one we need to fix. Which one is this? Footer right. So inside footer right, address text align right. So we need to write here text align center. Now let's check. Yes, same way this also, this UL, text line right, make it text line center, center. Footer right UL, footer right UL. Yes, perfect. Now you can see our this website is fully responsive now. Seriously, if we make it center, then it will look better. Okay, we have to provide them class here, then it will work. So let's leave it for the time being. Now our desktop version is perfect, and also you can see our mobile version is also fully responsive. So guys, this way you can make from PSD. You can see this is our PSD file, and we have converted our website into Bootstrap 5 with slider, content, menu, and also this whole responsive. In the next chapter, we will see, we will work on its inner page, this page. Yes, in the next section, we will work on this. So header will be same, just we need to change this one, and the right side and this comment box footer will be same. So we don't have to do much, but we will be working on this section. And in this section, we will work on this part. So suppose this is a detail page. Okay, this is our home page. So if user clicks on this read more, then this page will open. Now we will work on this whole page. So as you can see, this header and footer is same, and only and this one we need to change a bit, and the right side we have to work, and the center side is easy. So first let's start from doing this. What we will do, first go to our page, and then just let's open here with, I will use this one because there is IntelliSense in this, so it's easier. Alright, so now let's do one thing. Let's open complete folder rather. Okay, here. So what we will do, just let's save as, and we will name it as about.html. Okay, and then this is header section, and in about a section there will be no slider. Okay, so let's remove this. Also, uh, where it says feature post, this will be not required also, and this is uh, one of the article, right? So we will just keep this one of the articles. and this pagination is also not required, and this is footer. Right, now what we will do, let's create here a section and then class row div col md uh, 8, then col md 4. That means this is sidebar, and this section we will put this code. So now let's check how does it look like. Let's go here and open this about page. Yes, sidebar, there's something wrong. Let's do one thing, just remove everything, and here first will be img src images, then which image? Cake left side cake. Yeah, this one just I will put here, and below will be paragraph. So lorem ipsum. Just I will take lorem ipsum from here, which I just deleted. Yes. Okay, now let's test. So there is something wrong because this, yes, it's fine, but sidebar is coming this side, which is not good. So what is wrong here? Oh, sorry. Class yeah, it's working fine now. This is sidebar and this is main image, and which image is this? Actually we require this image. This is bigger one, left article image. Okay, so this one is image. Generally what happens, this image is larger or bigger. In case if you want to wrap this text, that means the text will start from here and ends here, then you can do one thing, style float left, float left. Yes, so the now text will come this side. Okay, if there is more text, suppose I just copy from whole section and then it comes down here also, then what will happen? Automatically it will come wrap the text. You can see. Now let's do one thing. For paragraph, we had a text, this font size and style. So this is the one. Let's do one thing. In CSS, we will write at one place for complete paragraph. Same code. P, and then so wherever there will be P, automatically this font size and color will take. Yes, so that we don't have to call that CSS everywhere. Now let's go to the design and see. We need this one, right? So just I will hide this, and let's crop this image. We will name it inner header. Now let's create here in the top here section class container fluid, then img src images, and then what is name, just with inner banner, inner header. This one, then close it. Now refresh and check. We can call this in background so that it will be repeated. Okay, so here inner header, we will just create one class inner header here, and then background image URL, images, and then inner header, this one. And from here we will remove this. We have to check its height actually. So what is the height of this image? Let's go to image and then image size. So the height of the image is 169, that means 170 px. So here height 160 px. Yes, now you can see it is automatically repeated. Now we will have to write this text. Where was that? We had hidden actually somewhere this text. That is same heading. So let's do one thing. We already have this heading, no? This one just we will call for this. Okay, let's create separate class. Inner heading text, and no color at all. Forget it. Just take from here only. This is the color. This is color. In the meantime, let's go here and type H2. It will be actually H1, not H2. H1 and H1 close. Then the class text align center, padding top, TPX, font size 28px. Oh, yes, now it's fine. So successfully we have created this section and this one also. Now we will work on sidebar, this part. So let's check its height. Height is 68. So here in the sidebar, div class sidebar heading, then latest post. Let's create this class. Background color this color, height 68 px. Now let's check, and now let's give some width. How much is width? Let's check. Width is 60, no, 320 px. 320 px. Now it's coming in center. So yeah, now we have to provide color and font size, and also this icon is simply white. The color is white. Font size, we have to decide. Font size 30 px. Let's check. Yes, so better make it 35. Yeah, now it's better. And we have to put this icon. So background image URL images, and then let's check which one is icon. We had already one icon, this one. Okay, now let's check. Then no repeat left. That means it will inside left side, and background will not repeat. No repeat left. Background repeat. Repeat, no repeat. Background position. Position left. Yes. So now our icon has also come. The next task is, let's go to the design and check. This one, left side one image, and like this. So here div class row, div class call md2. This side will be image, and call md10. Here will be h3 heading, and then paragraph, sidebar. Where is it? This is column 8. Now this is column 4. So actually this div will be here. That means everything will be under our sidebar div. Yes. mg src images, then website cake. We can provide here any class, sidebar img. Width 40%, its tools small, 80%. Sidebar box, let's create one parent class and sidebar box img. That means automatically it will detect to all, so we don't have to write a separate class for this. No requirement of this one. So automatically the class will detect. Also, where it says sidebar box, we can provide some padding. 30px, not 30 is more, so it can 15px. Yes, and then this is bootstrap class text left. There is something wrong here. It is 2 call md10 call md10. Why starting from here? Okay, because it is full width, that is why. Okay, so we have to specify here width also, like 320. Yeah, that's better. Also, in that case, let's make the image 100%. Okay, automatically it will adjust. So if I don't provide anything, then what will happen? Oh, it's too big here. Okay, this is image and this is your heading. Actually, uh, here there is no need of providing this width. Let's remove this width, okay, and this width also, so that it will be 100%. Yeah, this will be better. So let's write here some heading. The heading is same. Yeah, enjoy tasty food. We can do one thing. This sidebar box, we can provide some padding top, not padding top, padding from all around. It's left, right, center. Yes, so now it's better. And then let's change its color. So H3, sidebar box H3, color effect, font size 18 px, it's very less. 25 px, yeah, it's better now. And then this text, there is nothing special about this. Simply we'll write here lorem ipsum, and text align left for this paragraph. And for this one also, for H1, H3 also. Yes, we can do one more thing. It's very wide, so let's go to the sidebar. It is 4 and 3, right? No, it is 8 and this one is, the first one is 8 and second one is 4. So make it 3 and 9, means left side more and right side narrower. Yes, now it's better. And we need margin because it is touch to touch, so we need some space. So we will call it left inner content. Padding or margin top 30 px, right? Same way in the sidebar also. This one only sidebar, I'll just write, not sidebar box, sidebar main. Margin top 30 px here as well. Sidebar main, yes. Now this thing you can repeat this whole box. Like this. Look like there is some padding from top. So we'll check and just remove it. Okay, we don't need padding from top actually. So 15 px somewhere we have given padding. Where was that? Here. So we have to provide padding 0 px. That means top will be 0 px, and 15 px. That means right side 15 px. Then bottom 0 px, and again 15 px. That means padding will be 15 px from left and right. Okay, this font size should have been also smaller. It's not heading. Which one is that? 25. No? Yes. Also, if you want, then you can put some divider like sidebar h3, sidebar box, sidebar box. This one, border bottom 1 px solid pink. So there is divider between two. This text is also very large, so let's remove it. There is requirement of small padding from top also. Here we can put here 5px padding from top. Now it's look better. So this section is done. Then categories. So what we will do, we will just copy this heading. Sidebar, latest post, this one. Just copy it and paste here as well. Categories. And then this category, which one? This. We need this icon, so let's go here. div class row, or simply we will use here ul li and then li, and then I span we will use, because span, then span, and here will be food, restaurant, other, class, sidebar, sidebar category, sidebar category. We may have to write something here, so ul list style none, li display inline. Oh, it is not required inline actually. Here text align left, so it's coming from left side. Color, we will take this one, for this li. Now we need fa left arrow. Nothing coming. Yes, double left. Which class is? Yes, it's coming. It's right, right? Oh, it's right, not left actually. We will write right. Just repeat this one. Now this category is also done. We can increase its font size. Font size 18 px. Yes. So now what's remaining? This comment box, right? It's easy. So let's go here where we will write in the left section, right? So in the left section, where is our left section? This one. img, then p is closed. So let's take here one div class row, then div code class code md12 comment, and then div class code md4. How is the design? No, it's 12 as well. So it will be name, email, comment box, and button. Input type text, name, full name, full name, class, form, control, form, control. Now let's check here. It's too large, right? So what we need to do, form box, margin bottom 50 px, That be the first thing. There should be some margin, the spacing, and then width 50%. Text align center. Actually, not text align. Let's put here margin auto. Then it will come into the center here. Padding bottom 50 px. So this is first name or full name. Placeholder full name. Email placeholder email ID. Right. Then here will be text area. Class form control placeholder enter your comment. And finally we need a submit button. Button close class btn success, and then post your comment. Text center. We have to change its color. Apart from that, you can see there is touch to touch text boxes. So we need to form box and then div padding top 30 px, which I think more. Yes, so you can see now the spacing is fine, and according to design we have gray background. You can do styling here, that's not an issue. This color can be also changed. So provide here one class btn comment, btn comment background color, this color white, border radius 8 px. Now let's check, right? If you want to put hover color, then you can apply hover color also. Hover, just remove this background color, darker. Now check, it hover, comment. Yes. So guys, as you can see, our this section is also complete. Now once again, we need to check if this page 2 is responsive or not. Check in the mobile. There is high chance that it should be responsive. It's already responsive, you can see. Now the image, we will just make it center, and somewhere I think we have put some width, that is why it is causing problem. So once again, here this image, where is the image? This image, class img fluid. Remember, this is Bootstrap class for responsive. Yes, now image is fitting perfectly, and this width in mobile view we have to make 100%. Okay, and I think these images also have some problem. So class img fluid for making the image responsive. Yes, so now as you can see, it's fully responsive. The only thing is that its width. Okay, so box, there we given width, no? Here form box 50%. Now let's open M style, this CSS for mobile view, and then form box, just remove everything, and then make it 100% or 90% in mobile view. And yes, you can see now it's perfect as well. So guys, hope you like this video. So in case still you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel. Also there is some problem here. So once again, if you want to check what is the problem, then we had put here, if you remember, star border 1px solid red. So which element is going outside, you can check from here. I guess this latest post, there is some width in this, in heading, width, or padding maybe, sidebar heading, font size. there is problem in either here or this box. Latest post. Sidebar heading. Okay, let's do one thing. This should be actually inside. Let's make this here, this complete section container. Okay, this should have been container, and then this will be simple div, and below also here first section is closing and one more div will close. So what I did, I put this inside a container, then so everything inside container, then this row, which this row is divided into two parts. First one is left side and second one is right side. That's it. Now that problem should go. Let's check. There is no scroll bar. Also, if you check inside iPhone 12 Pro simulator, then you can see it is perfect. There is no scroll bar. So what we will do now, simply we need to remove this star mark. We'll just comment this in a refresh, and you can see now it's fully responsive, the inner pages as well. What you will have to do, you need to make its font size smaller, then it will adjust itself. Also the padding top, here it's fine now, and padding top we need to give less. So this one we need to put inside mobile CSS here, right? So just refresh and see, this one is also perfect. So guys, this way you learned. This is the, let's recap once again. In this complete series of this video, you learned this is home page, and then we converted this home page, and later I converted this one also. So hope you like this video, and still if you have not subscribed my channel, then I recommend you to subscribe the channel. Also press bell button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.